Don't mention a person's mistake when they're trying to change. This is like throwing a stone at their back when they're trying to climb a mountain. Changing from a mistake is something very complicated and requires time. It's like healing from sickness. It does not happen in one day. It's like healing from wounds. It does not happen abruptly and fast. It is a gradual process. So there is this scenario that some of you people, when people make mistake to you, and they again make another mistake, or they're trying to change but the speed is slow, you again talk about their previous mistake. That one is you have pulled the person back. You have stoned the person at the back while trying to climb a mountain. Because just like we grow in life, you start as a baby suckling your mother's milk. You start learning to crawl. You again start learning to walk. Start learning to talk. So it's a process. So don't think where you are, everyone is. And don't think where you are, you're the best. I used to say it, if you take a fish to challenge it to climb a tree, it will spend the rest of its life thinking it's a fool. But when you dip fish, or you take the fish into water, you will know that the fish is actually a genius. Meaning that each and everyone has something good that they know more than someone. Even presidents, they are not the best. That's why they work with people. They employ people to work for them. So don't throw a word reminding a person of a previous mistake when they're trying to heal, because you have stoned them at their back while they're climbing a mountain. Thank you for watching Motivations Podcast on Acoli Pro Evo TV. If you're subscribed, you will still meet me in another video. Thank you and bye-bye.